minute, children. Let me listen to Twisha. Yes, Twisha, tell me. Good
Ma'am,
morning, everyone. Just a minute, Twisha. Good morning, everyone.
Good
good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Yes, Twisha, what were you asking?
Ma'am, we were not asking tables.
Yes, I will ask in between. Okay?
Because I'm waiting for my turn till last 1 week.
Okay, no worries. Your turn will come. Okay? That day also, I think I called your name, but due to some internet issues, you were not able to answer me.
Oh,
Yes, children. So, Catherine, ma'am, can you please mute? Yes, children. So, first of all, we do the revision. What we have done in our last class, we have done about the word problems, right? Word problems of multiplication. Now, you children, just a minute. Now, you children, please frame each child has to frame one word problem on multiplication and write it in the chat box.
What
Please write.
problems you have to frame?
Yes, you have to frame word problems and write it in the chat box. Meantime, Twisha will tell me the table of Twisha. Tell me the table of 13.
yes, ma'am.
Tell me table of 13.
1 second. There's an error coming. Table of 13. Okay.
Yes.
13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26.
Hmm.
13 threes are 20, 39. 13
Hmm.
fours are 52.
Hmm.
13 fives are 65.
Hmm.
13 sixes are 78.
Hmm.
13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. And 13 tens are 130.
Good. Ashvi, your mic and internet is working today.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me table of 12?
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 90, 12
Hmm. 12 nines are.
are 108, 12 tens are 120. Good morning,
Good.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Children, as I told you, please write one word problem based on multiplication in the chat box. Man Rajoria, please mute yourself. Man, yes, children. Man Rajoria, is there any difficulty?
Ma'am, my brother is there, so it is doing noise.
So,
That's why.
Man, you sit in one silent room, or if you do like this, I'll remove you from my class. Okay, children, as I instructed you, please write one word problem in the chat box and solve the answer also and tell me.
Ma'am, I have written. Can you please check?
Oh, just a minute. No, I'm not getting the. Wait a minute. Let me refresh the chat again. No,
Ma'am,
children,
but I have sent it.
I will write something. Can you all read it?
Yeah,
I'm three.
Yeah. So why I cannot receive your chattings? Who
even
all
I.
have written? Who all have written this? Children, how many of you have written the word problem in the chat box?
Ma'am, only I have written.
Twisha, it's
How
not
many?
visible. Twisha,
It's not
send it.
visible.
Kevna has sent just
Yeah.
now.
Okay. I said a man bought 35 mangoes and four more people bought the same amount. So it will be four or five.
Ma'am, a person got the one person like bought na, and then four more people. That's five.
Okay. Now total mangoes were 175, including the four members, right? Rudra has written there is a pizza and one person in getting three slices, and there are four people. So what is the number of slices cutted? There is a pizza and one person. Pizza is one person is getting three slices, and there are four people. So what is the number of slices cutted? So can you please write the answer also, Rudra?
Yes, ma'am, I have written down. I forgot to write
Okay,
answers.
12. Yes, 12. Right. I want 10 cars. One car costs 20. What is the cost of 10 cars? Rehan has written. So the cost of 10 cars will be 200. Rudra Mango ke answer is right. Dhruv, you write, please. Children, I expect from everyone to write at least one word problem related to multiplication. Please write in the chat box. And then we start our today's topic. And meanwhile, I'll take the orals of tables also.
Ma'am, we have to write the answers also.
Yes. Anushka has written Ram has packed. Anushka has spelling is wrong. Ram has packed 20 boxes of chocolates. If one box contains 10, so how many chocolates does 20 boxes contain? Good. 200. 20 into Ashvi. One box holds 6 chocolates. If I had 20 boxes, how many chocolates would I have? Yes. Ashvi, right. Next, please. Children, please write fast. After this multiplication word problem, our next topic is division. We are clear and completed with the multiplication by 2 digit, multiplication by 3 digits, 4 digits, word problems. So multiplication part is over. Now we are stepping ahead to the division part. So division part I will explain once I will receive few questions in the chat box, and then I will move ahead to the division part. Jishna has written the cost of one dress is 780. Yes? Yeah, no, more only one, because I need to give chance to other children also. The cost of one dress is 780. What is the cost of seven such dresses? So when you multiply it, just a minute, 780 multiply by 7. So your answer is 5460. Yes. One book costs 52. Then 8 book will cost how many rupees? 52 multiplied by 8. Children, take 2 digit as a, take more than 2 digit as a multiplier and multiplicand also. You are very much confident and clear with the, how to multiply 2 digit with the 1 digit and how to multiply any number with the 10, 100 and 1000. Then you are clear with this. Now I want you have to take the big number, which is the number 3 digit number, multiply by 3 digit number. I want to check whether your multiplication is right or wrong. Like that, I want, he has written, I want 15 ice creams, one cost 50. So when you multiply 15 multiply by 5, you get 75 at 0. Good. I want you have to multiply the 3 digit number with the 3 digit number. Make the word problem in such a way that you are getting multiplier 3 digit and the multiplicand also 3 digit. So I need to check whether your multiplication is right or wrong. I went to buy tomatoes. One tomato is 56 rupees. Try to Priya, write 1 kg tomato is 56 rupees. How much do I have to pay if I want 17 tomatoes? No problem. If you are writing on the basis of number of things, this is also right. So you have written one tomato is 56 and you have purchased 17 tomatoes. The answer will be 952. Very good. I think Priya, you have done it by your own. Yes or no, Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Once there was a shopkeeper, he was selling for one for rupees $70, and once I want 12 and I want 12. So first we'll add 12 plus 12 is 24. So 24. What you have written this, Dharya? Can you only please explain us?
Ma'am, I'm saying that I
Hmm.
don't have the rupee sign, so I've
So
done
it's
that.
dollar sign. Okay.
So I
For
have.
rupees, you can write RS also there. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So what you have written?
I have written the shopkeeper is selling one chocolate of 70 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
And uh, me and Vansh want to buy 12. So
We,
first,
me, and Vansh means there are two only, no? I and Vansh, right?
yeah, so Vansh also want 12, I also
Okay.
want 12. So
Okay.
first I add 24, then
Yes.
24 multiplied by 70.
Very good. Very good, students. So I will check it later. Gunav has also written something. Let me read. Gunav went to shop to buy 10 packet of chips. If cost of one packet is rupees 5, what will be the cost of 10? Yes, 50. Gunav, I expect from you that you have to please do multiplication with three-digit multiplication with the three digit, so that I know that you are clear with how to multiply the big numbers.
Ma'am, I have done with 3 digit by 3 digit.
And yeah, and please try to write the statement in the word problems, right? When you solve it in the notebooks, you please write the statement, because word problems, it is compulsory that how we are writing the statement also. Right?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
I write also one more.
Yeah, no problem. Write it. Okay, after write it, I will read it later on. And now we are going to start division.
Can you read
So
mine?
I will read it, Vivan, later on. Okay.
Ma'am, please read it at the end of the class, at least.
Yeah, I will read at the end of the class. So now, children, now please, I will give you time to write in the middle. Now you please listen to your next topic, which is division. We are going to start the division. Before starting the division, I am going to explain you what are the properties of division. Just a minute. Please mute your mics, everyone. As we have learned the properties of multiplication also, now we are going to learn the properties of division.
At the beautiful apple farm. How about visiting this farm and learning the division properties here? It will be fun. Let us begin. There
Yes.
are 4 division properties. Let us learn them one by one. Property 1. When a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. Let us see how. There are 5 kids in the farm, but there is only one apple in the basket. How many slices of apple do we need to make so that
5.
the apple is distributed equally?
5.
Since there are 5 kids and only
Ma'am, 5
one
divided by
apple,
1 is equal to
we
5.
need
5
to
ones are
make
5.
5 slices
The 5.
of the apple to distribute it equally among the 5 kids. Therefore, 5 divided by 1 is equal to
As you all know, division means dividing equally, sharing, right? So here also the example of sharing.
5. This concludes that when a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. Property 2. When a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Now we can see 4 kids, and the number of apples in the basket is
In the basket, there are 4 apples. Kids are also 4. How many the each child will get?
One.
Ma'am, one apple. One apple.
One.
Ma'am, a whole apple.
4. How many apples does each kid get? Here, there are 4 kids and 4 apples. Accordingly, each kid gets 1 apple. So, we have divided number 4 by 4 and got the answer as
So what will be the question?
One will be the quotient, ma'am.
One,
Four,
one.
one, four. One.
Will be 1. Thus, this shows us that when a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1.
Ma'am,
Property 3.
ma'am, just now I was doing in that division machine.
Yeah. Good, Twisha. And then we will discuss this about your machine also later on, okay?
When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. Oops! There are 0 apples in the basket. And the number of kids is 6. How many apples does each kid get? There are 6 kids and no apples. So,
Ma'am, anyone
here
will not
each
get the
kid
apple.
gets
Not anyone, no one will get the apples. है ना? जब है ही नहीं बास्केट में तो डिवाइड क्या करेंगे?
0 apples, as there are no apples. Here, simply we divided the number 0 by 6 and got the answer 0. Thus, when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0.
Property 4. When the remainder is 0, the quotient and the divisor are always factors of the dividend. Look at the board. It shows the division of 12 by 3. Here we can see that 3 is the divisor.
Now here are some important terms related with the division. What is divisor? What is dividend? What is quotient? And what is remainder? You have to pay attention here also. Children, please stop writing in the chat box now.
Ma'am, you close the chat box. Ma'am, you are mute and the video is paused.
Catherine, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please close the chat box?
Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, done.
4 is the quotient and the remainder is 0. But we also know that 4
Wait a
and
minute, let me
3
explain
are
first.
factors of 12. That is,
Factors,
Ma'am, the video voice.
factors you are going to learn in grade 5, but factors we have learned, no, किस किस की table में 12 आता है, right? 12 comes in table of 4 and table of 3. So these both are the factors of 12. So this is the divisor, this is the dividend, this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. That 4 terms you should know in the division. Kevna, stop this, please. So now, after learning the properties of division, we are going to learn division in groups, like divide something into the
Ma'am, you
groups.
are not
For
visible.
example, am I not visible to you all?
Ma'am, you
Can
are visible.
And now you are visible.
okay, thank you.
Ma'am is visible. Please log off and log in. All those who are having problem today. She's audible also. She's visible also.
So children, please check now. And now we are going to learn how to divide into the groups, right? Because firstly the divisions start with dividing and sharing. So we divide into the groups. Now if I say, for example, there are 20 chocolates I have, and I need to divide to the four
Ma'am,
children. Yes, who said ma'am? Yes, Vivan.
ma'am, yes.
Yes, Yash.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
your voice was cut. That's why now it is not cut.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, please. Just a minute, children. Wait a minute.
ma'am, your rose is cutting.
Children, wait a minute. Now I am clear to you all.
Answer now. Who all were not able to hear her?
Yes,
Yes, Arya. Are you able to hear, ma'am?
yes.
Arya, am I? Okay. Now listen to me clearly, children. Please. No, I'm writing something. Wait. Okay. Now listen to me. When I have, for example, I have 20 chocolates. Sit properly, Darya. I have 20 chocolates. I need to divide them into the four groups, four children, right? How many the each child will get? How many each child will get? I need to distribute the 20 chocolates to the four children or the four students or the four persons. How
Ma'am,
many each will get?
ma'am, five. Each will get five. Two fives are 20.
Yes, each will get. So first I will show you the video and how to divide them into the groups. We will learn how to share.
Division. Division is the opposite of multiplication? So you mean division is subtracting groups a number of times? Yes, exactly, Priya. That's a pretty good guess. Let's see this example. How many balls do we have here? Let's count them. There's 1, 2,
Eight.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 balls here. Let's put them in 4 groups. So I take one ball and place it here. I'll take another one and place it this side. And I'll take the third here and put it over here. And the fourth ball, I'll put one over here. So now I take another ball from the top and place it in the first group. Now I'm going to take this one to the second group. And I'll take another one here into the third group. And this one over here, the last one, goes into the fourth group. So we have divided these 8 balls into 4 equal groups, right? So how many balls are there now in each
Two
group?
fours are eight.
We have 2 balls in each group. So 8 balls
So how many in each group? How
Two
many
balls
balls?
in each
Yes.
group. Two balls in
So
each.
we are learning today division by grouping. Gunav, please mute yourself.
नहीं चलो सो.
Gunav, please mute yourself. Thank you.
were divided into 4 groups, and each group now has 2 balls. So if we write this as a problem, it would be 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Let's try one more. Let's say you had 18 candies and you had to divide those candies and give them to 3 friends because you love sharing because that shows that you care. So how many candies would each friend get? So here you're dividing 18 by 3 because you have 3 friends and you want 3 different groups. So after dividing, we see that each group has 6 candies. So the problem here can be written as 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So the 3 friends of yours would get 6 candies each.
Now your children understood how to divide them into the groups.
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to present you one
Very
worksheet on
well.
this. I am going to present you one worksheet on this. You have to do it in the classwork, in notebook. You have to draw the images which are given in the worksheet. And we'll discuss according to that also. Can you all see that worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve the
So what
following
we have to do in
division.
this?
Let me explain first. Mute yourself, everyone. Okay, thank you. Solve the following division problem by circle the sets of items. It's written here, how many groups of 6 can you make with 36 stars? Man, each group you have to take 16 stars. So how many groups you will make? And you have to write the division equation also.
Ma'am, 6 groups we will make.
6 group, there are 36. So how many groups you will make?
6 is the
So
36.
36
6 groups.
divided by 6 equals to 6. So the equation, division equation for this is 36 divide sign, then you will write 6, then you put equal to sign, then you will write 6. Same way you have to do for the second. How many groups of 4 can you make
4
with
groups.
16? So you will make how many groups?
4 are
4.
16.
So you will divide
4
16
groups.
divided by 4 equals to 4. How
Ma'am, we
many
have to
groups?
do this in the notebook.
Yes, you have to do right
And
now
then
in
last
this
it will
class.
come 3.
Vivan, can you please give chance to other children to speak and give me the answer?
Yes. Ma'am, can I use colorful pen?
Any pen and any the way do you want to write it in your notebook. Start writing and start solving, and then we afterwards we discuss the answers. And same on the basis of this, I'm going to send you the same worksheet in your class, in your homework also.
Ma'am, means this whole worksheet we have to write in notebook. Uh, so how do we have to do it?
See, the way Mike, mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Parinika, mute yourself. Make that. The way it is given in your worksheet, the same way if it is possible. If it is not possible, you first draw, right? You first draw the number of things which are given, and then down you have to write their problem sum. Okay. And take the pencil and circle it also that you have
okay, so
to.
we have to draw the objects and
Yes.
circle and divide.
Yes. Are you here?
Ma'am, your understand what you're saying.
I will explain you again. Can you see
Presentation
this?
is not visible.
Now it is
Yes, ma'am.
visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me explain you all once more time. It is written clearly here. Solved it with the number of circling. So how many groups of six can you make with 36 stars? How many
Ma'am,
group
How
of?
many? We have to write the question. I mean, one. How many groups?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Migdad.
six. Yes, ma'am, six.
Please,
Colorful pen.
any pens, any pen. Children, please mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
six. Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am, I want to ask you one thing. Can I ask?
Wait a minute. Let Karnav, Ayush, they have to mute themselves first. Yes, Dhairya, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm saying that
Hmm.
this worksheet you are going to send in homework also, so there we have to send you, right?
No, I'm
So
not going to
today,
send the. I'm not going to send the same worksheet as homework. Same method
like
will be.
these worksheet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like this.
like this, like this.
Yes. First, this is your classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Arya. Children, please start doing.
Sheet.
Ayush. Yes.
I can't see the worksheet.
I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
present when you. Yeah, I will present it when you are clear with your doubts. Now you can able to see it.
Yes.
Now in the next one, how many groups of four can you make with 16 balls? How many groups of four you will make? Children, answer me now.
Four groups.
Four. How many groups of three can you make to make nine diamonds?
Three.
Yes.
Three.
So 9 divided by 3, your answer will be 3.
Ma'am,
How
what
many
is
groups
the
of
heading? I can't see that. Ma'am, can you go on the first answer?
solve it? Now able to see it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
yes. You can Ma'am, can you share this worksheet in the classroom?
No, I will not send this worksheet in the this link. No. You have to solve it here in the class when I am presenting it. Because no printout has to be taken. You have
Ma'am,
to
can
draw.
you scroll down?
Let everyone complete till question number 3. So in this way, we are learning the division with the grouping.
Ma'am, we have to write question also.
Yes. You have to draw the objects, you have to write the question, you have to write the division equation also. Everything which is here, you have to write in your notebook.
Ma'am, what is meaning of equation?
Equation means you have to write how you will write this. How many groups of 6 can you make with 36 stars? In which one operation sign will
So
come?
6 divided by 8, we have to write like that. 6
Yeah,
divided by 8.
36 divided by 6 equal to 6.
Yeah, 36. So, ma'am, we have to do 36 stars.
Yeah, there are 36 stars. And each group is of 6 stars. So how many groups
Ma'am,
you are
can you
making?
show the heading? Solve the following division problems by yes. Yes, and now you can scroll down.
Okay. Let everyone complete till question number 3. There are only 5. Images you can draw later on also. You just draw one image so that you are aware that star बनेंगे यहाँ पे, next में circle बनेंगे, then diamonds बनेंगे. एक image बना सकते हो and then you can complete it later on also. But the statement and everything you have to complete right now.
Ma'am, due to some connection problem, so ma'am, can you say what we have to do in this worksheet?
You have to solve this worksheet. with the grouping.
Are you going to
Yeah,
send it?
we no, I'm not going to send this. Same, I'm not going to send, but on the same concept, I'm going to send you the different worksheet. This you have to do as a classwork right now. How many
Okay,
groups of
ma'am.
6 can you make with 36 stars? As we have learned how to make the groups, like I have told you, there are 20 chocolates. Okay, you need to distribute them to your, uh, like I take now 5 friends में distribute करना है. एक, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, every person will get how many chocolates?
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Karna.
Karnav, you were not there in the class. You have to solve this worksheet which is here on the screen.
Ma'am, in notebook?
Yes, my dear. How many group of 6 can you make with 36 stars?
Ma'am, we can divide in rough page.
Yes. These are the simple numbers. You can easily know that in table of 636 comes how many times? 6 times.
Ma'am, I know that.
Yes, in table of 16, 4 comes how many times? Sorry, in table of 4, 16, sorry, wait a minute. In table of 4, 16 comes how many times? 4 times.
4 4s are 16.
In table of 3, 9 comes how many times?
3 times.
3 times. So you can easily do without division.
Ma'am, we have to write in the division equation part, that one.
Yes, you have to write 36, divide sign, then you write 6, then you write equal to sign, and then you write 6. That will be your division equation.
Ma'am. Ma'am, we have to send this worksheet to you.
No, only the homework worksheet you have to send me. And children, can you please write one question framing with the division groups in the chat box? Catherine, man, can you please open the chat box?
Ma'am, can you show the page?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, worksheet. Ma'am, can you show again what we have to do?
Which child is this, my dear? Are you there in the class or you have logged out?
Ma'am, I was not able to hear you properly.
Now my voice is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I was explaining and showing this worksheet that you have to do
No,
in your
ma'am.
classwork.
No, ma'am, I am asking for the chat box.
Chat box, you have to frame one problem sum that you have to divide it into the groups. How you will frame that?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have right one.
Just a minute, I'll check it later because once everyone will complete, then I will check. Do you have any live class today, children?
No, ma'am, the mail is not for craft. No, ma'am. Ma'am, there is craft.
Live
No, ma'am,
class?
there is not. Ma'am, if there will be live class, then Sapna ma'am will send the mail of the today's live class. But there is
Okay.
no mail.
Okay, Vihan. Can you please, Vihan, explain us with the grouping how you have divided into the groups? You have written 99 divided by 9 equals to 11.
Ma'am, I have written by first I have taken the both numbers. Then I thought that in the table of 11 or in the table of 9, when 99 came. So in table of 9, 9 multiplied by 11 is equal to 99. And in 11, 11 multiplied by 9 is equal to 99. So
Yeah.
I multiplied. I didn't do repeated addition or repeated subtraction. I just multiplied and got the answer.
Okay, but Vihan, can you listen to me? Here right now we are learning with the groupings. Now, can you take the 99 with the some objects and explain us what is your 99 and what is your 9 and what is your 11?
Yes, ma'am. I have to ask you something. Can I ask?
Wait a
9
minute.
peoples
Hmm.
and there are 99 balls left. So everyone wanted 11. So
Mhm.
that 99 divided by 9 is equal to 11.
Okay. Yes, Ayans, tell me what you were asking.
Ma'am, I have to one time see the presentation, then I.
Okay, I will. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
now I will
what?
scroll it down. Let the others also to complete the rest too. How many groups of two can you make with 12 hearts? There are
Ma'am,
12
that
hearts.
division question we have to write.
Ma'am,
Let's
6.
continue with.
Division equation you have to write in the box which is given here. You also have to write after the way it is given in the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
How many groups of two can you make with 12 hearts? How many groups you will make?
Ma'am, you can scroll little bit up.
How many groups can you make when you give two? There are four sums only. Six. How many groups you will make? To distribute two hearts to each, you will make six groups.
Ma'am, 6 groups we will make of art.
Yes. Here in the dash, you have to write how many groups. Then you have to write the equation here. 9 divided by 3, you will get the 3.
Ma'am, please show the presentation.
Just a minute, Ayan. Children, if you have completed, you can leave the class. Thank you for today's class. We'll send you the worksheet based on SEM completed and send